this changelog video roundup, hosted by me, the Descript changelog. We've been real busy. Here's what we've been working on lately. Number 1, we've rebuilt the transitions experience. 16 total transitions are now available. 9 of them are new. Each thumbnail presents an animated preview of the transition, and you can bulk apply them to all scenes. Click the hourglass between 2 scenes, or find them in the Properties panel. Number 2. Descript transcription is now powered by ElevenLabs Scribe v2 by default, and it delivers higher accuracy across accents, tricky audio, and is better at identifying proper nouns. Users who are set to either automatic or Daredevil will get Scribe 2 automatically, while users on Scholar will be on the old model. We'll update these options with true brand names soon. Number 3. Enterprise drives can now create custom workspaces from scratch. You can name them however you like and grant access workspace by workspace. Custom workspaces are available on enterprise plans today, with more plan support coming soon. Number 4. The Descript API has received some updates. You can trigger web exports and get back URLs to the MP4 file. And the API can now search and list projects, or pull project details including media and compositions. Number 5. 3 updates to Rooms. We now support real-time live captions. Just tap the Captions button for a movable real-time overlay. And host-controlled background noise reduction now defaults to off for new users. Finally, recordings are automatically segmented if a camera drops out and reconnects mid-take. Number 6. Here's a bunch of bugs we fixed. I only missed one of them. See if you can guess. And don't forget, May 14th through 15th, we're hosting our first ever customer-obsessed telethon. A live 2-day build-a-thon hackathon driven by customer feedback. Join us on YouTube and upvote your favorite ideas on our telethon board. That's it for this video. I've been the Descript changelog, and I'll see you next time.